Welcome back to my channel. My name is Harrison Barron, the Millennial Entrepreneur, and I'm here to teach you how to make some money on LinkedIn. Now, in my last video, I talked about some things that you should be looking out for in 2021 and things like that. Now, in this video, I want to give you guys 3 ways that you can make an incredible amount of money. You can find allies to send you business. You can find your target customers and ultimately just make more money in your business. So if you're in sales, you're a business owner, or you're looking for somebody, just a way to grow your connections for a potential job even, this works just as well. So let's dive into it. We're gonna jump on my screen here. And the first way I'm going to show you guys, and this is from my last video here, but I'm going to show you guys exactly what you need to do to start finding people. So the first thing is you're going to do a hashtag research. So hashtag research, that's literally what it is. You're not researching hashtags. So if you want to do digital marketing, you could start out with digital hashtag, and there's 27 million people. So maybe that's a little too big. So let's do some social media marketing. Right, typically a smaller niche in the digital marketing. Great, 128,000 followers on here. That's enough to find somebody potentially in your local area. Now, these are all people that are going to be using that hashtag somewhere in here, right? Social media marketing, there it is, full day workout plan for Instagram. This happens to be something really, really good, right? I actually really, really like this. So there is a ton of stuff on here. JP Morgan advertising. There's going to be a ton of stuff on here that you're going to be able to find. But here's the thing. You can start to look for companies in here that can either, 1, send you business, or 2, you might want to do business with. So it doesn't have to be social media marketing. If you are, especially in the B2B space, if you're looking to go after, I don't know, manufacturing companies, right? Let's just search manufacturing and see what comes up. So there's 3,100 people using manufacturing and digital brokerage operations. And you're going to have to do some kind of homework on here. Just keep that in mind. But simple demo of shock absorbing table connectors, 100% recycled plastic, right? So he might be doing something as far as the manufacturing space. And that may very well be somebody you want to reach out to at a later date and say, hey, I'd love to do business with you. I own a shipping company, or I do this, or I do this. And if you know the niche that you're going to be in, then there's a great way to just target those people, right? I have a buddy of mine who does international shipping. He likes to deal with people in the makeup space, right? If you do hashtag makeup, there's got to be, 15,000 followers on here. So somewhere in here, somebody's going to be talking about makeup, and then you could drill down and find who you want to find. So that's number 1. The easiest way to do it, hashtag research. It's a little more broad, and especially if you don't have a huge network, it's really, really good. Number 2 is using your own network. So I'm going to go to my profile here, and I'm going to go to my connections, which I have about 2,800 connections, right? And I know who I want to deal with, right? So typically I'm trying to target IT companies. So if I go to, nope, not there. If I go to all filters and I search in information technology services, I click apply. And now I have a whole list of people that either I know or I'm already connected with. So on LinkedIn, I am what's considered a lion, a LinkedIn open networker. And a lion is somebody that just connects with everybody. So it doesn't matter if, you know, what industry you're in, as long as I see that you have a profile picture and your profile's filled out, chances are pretty good I'm going to connect with you, unless I know the name, because I'm sure you just saw that there's 2 people I'm connected with that don't have profile pictures. I happen to know them. I'm personal friends with them. But other than that, that is what a line is. They are a LinkedIn open networker. They want to connect with as many people as possible, and this is where you find the major benefit out of it. So I've just dug down to information technology services, and if I wanted to compile a list of those people, now I can go down and I can find those people, right? Rob Venero, you have my old colleague Doug Thide, right? There's so many people in here, and then I can go to the second page. There's tons. James Rocker, super cool dude, my old boss. There's so many people in here that you can go after and attack and say, hey, you know what? I want to go do business with these people. So whatever you're looking to do, go find Anthony Latham, another old coworker of mine, right? If there's somebody in there that you want to connect with or you want to potentially sell to, go find them, send them a message online, and now you can start a conversation and say, hey, I happen to deal with people in your space. I'd love to work with you and things like that. And that's a great segue over to a sale. So if you build up a network, and I'm not saying you need to, but if you build up a network or you just target those people, this is a very easy way to get in front of tons of people. And now you've already connected with them. They know that you're a connection. Is everybody going to answer? Absolutely not. I see people that don't answer all the time, especially with the pandemic hitting. There's less and less people that are going to have time because they're being bombarded by other people trying to sell them. Keep that in mind. There's only so many decision makers and check signers in the world. So it may take a couple attempts to get in front of those people. So the third way, and probably one of my favorite ways, because this is just the, in my opinion, easiest way if you don't have Sales Navigator and you don't have a big network on how to find people that you want to do business with. So let's just say, or I shouldn't say let's just say, at my main company, I do SEO services, right? If I wanted to go find people that could potentially refer business to me, I would want to go find potential social media marketers, right? So I happen to be in a group for social media, and here it is, right? Social media, social selling, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, innovators, right? Some of these people may or may not do social media for some people. Well, if they want to make some more money and they're producing some kind of content, they can offer to upsell or sell my services to their customers and either white label my services, or they could just say, hey, you know what, we found this partner. They do a really good job at SEO services. We'd love to put you in touch with them. We think that it could add some major value to your business, right? Because who wouldn't want to get found online? But if you're curious to know how to find groups, let's just go to social media up in the search bar, and you're going to live out of the search bar on LinkedIn. There we go. And it's going to load up an entire list of basically everybody that says social media, right? So Emily Gellis is social media, right? But that's not who I care about. What I care about is right here, groups. And this is going to allow you to find people in the social media space. So it's either people that want to learn more about social media, or it's people that have social media businesses. So right here, you can go down, you could find, one of the biggest groups has almost 2 million people in the group. That's an absurd amount of people. If you wanted to go in the IT space, I don't want information technology and groups, right? And now here's a bunch of different groups as far as information technology. Now, I'm not a part of any of these groups, but if I go back briefly to my other search result, which is social media, I happen to be involved in several of these groups. Now, in here, you'll be able to see all 13,000 people that are in this group, which makes life a million times easier because if their headlines are accurate, you can then target those people. So if you're looking for a freelancer, right, and she wants to make more money, if you're looking for a marketing student, nope, not going to help me, student, digital marketing specialist, right? Now that might be somebody I want to connect with, and because you're already in a group with them, you can send them a message directly, and you don't need to be in Sales Navigator. It's a little loophole that nobody really knows about and none of the professionals are talking about. But if you're interested in getting in front of certain people, this is an easy way to find people that are interested in, or could potentially resell your stuff, right? Just keep an eye on it. There's tons and tons of people in here. You're definitely limited on the search features. Now that you're in here, they're not going to let you drill down that far. But if you do your homework and you do your research, you can absolutely find people that either own a digital marketing space business, or either a social media business or something like that you may very well be able to take advantage of and either offer your services or become a strategic alliance, or even find somebody you want to sell to. So these are 3 totally free ways. I tell everybody that, people are like, Sales Navigator is so expensive. Well, you don't need Sales Navigator. You just need to know the tools that I just taught you on how to go find those key decision makers, those people that are going to make you money, and how to get in front of them, right? Especially because if you're already in a group with them or you're already connected with them, there's already some basic level of trust that you now have an entryway into their business. So don't think, oh, you know what, I can't do this or anything like that. There's plenty of opportunity for you to make money on LinkedIn, even with a free version of LinkedIn. There's no need to spend money. I gave up my paid version of LinkedIn for a little while because I just wasn't using it. I've been so busy with my main job that this is an easy way for me to find people, make sales to people, and stuff like that. In my next video, I'm going to cover some content creation for LinkedIn and ultimately how to make content for your ideal buyer so you don't have to send messages. They will come by directly from you. Other than that, I hope you guys found this video valuable. If you did, give it a like. I mean, I hope you give it a like. You should have smashed the like button forever ago, but I forgot to tell you guys, so I apologize. Hit the subscribe button and hit the little notification bell so you never miss an opportunity to make more money for your business and put some money in your pocket. Other than that, I hope you guys have it's Thursday here, so I hope you guys have a great weekend. But if you watch us at any other time of the day, I hope you have a great day no matter where you're from. All right? We're just going to go with that. I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.